Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. We have here 2005 Toyota Sequoia, obviously with that V8 4.7 liter, right? And listen that horrible popping sound from this side. What is that? Not coming from here. Absolutely clearly. Right here. Any clues? Let's go to look on the scanner. Read codes. No stored codes, are you serious? No pending codes. This one have 162,000 miles, right? Bunch of lights are on. The oil pressure is in this level. The battery was dead, so I had to jump start it. But this is what's happening. Obviously bunch of stuff, right, broken. As you know, as all of you will guess, the rear gate will not open, right? It's stuck. Typical problem for these Sequoias. I will say everybody knows that, right? Other than that, you know, it's damaged inside from the dogs. They ripped it in the pieces in the back. But other than that, right, these things, it's small stuff. Okay, let me say it once again. Other than that, it seems to be like a good project. Don't you think? It will be a good car to go camping and so on. So yeah, get excited because I might buy it from these owners, and we will have more videos on this channel. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day, my friend.